If you get a chance to deliver a speech, then what topic would you choose? Hello everyone, this is Japneet. Welcome back. I hope you guys are good. Our today's video is how to impress your IELTS examiner in speaking especially. So please don't use too much vocabulary, high-end vocabulary, because that will end in a disaster. You will end up getting a low band score. So please try to avoid it. Use vocabulary that is used everywhere. So there are two important tips that I'm going to share in this video. Before getting started, let's take an example. If someone asks you a question in your native language, then how would you answer? Either you try to explain it properly or just do the formality. So which one would you choose? Of course, the first one, you will try to explain each and every aspect clearly. You want that person to understand what you have said, right? The same thing is here. Even in IELTS, you have to explain. Don't just do the formality. Try to explain each and everything. Don't give a chance to the examiner to ask why, how, right? So this is the reason why most of the examiners asked why, how. You do not elaborate your answers. You do not explain the things properly. So this is how you end up getting a low band score. So please try to explain it, add examples, and please don't use crammed ideas. Okay, there are three things. First is general question, second is cue card, and third is follow-up questions. You can cram your cue card, you can cram your questions, but it is impossible to cram each and everything. Examiner, they're experts. They get acquainted with your level, with your performance from the very first question. So you cannot try to become over smart in front of them, right? So please don't ever cram anything. It is very common here in Punjab that students try to cram things, try to cram questions, cue cards. Try to use your own ideas. That is a better choice because you will get a lot of content to explain, and this is what examiner needs. The second important tip is try to use variations, try to use structures. There are like around 20-25 structures, but here I'm just telling you 2 to 3 structures. Like you can start your answer with although or either or, neither nor, right? Or you can start with ing, that is called gerund sentence. Even I have made videos on these sentences. Suppose your examiner asks you a question. If you get a chance to deliver a speech, then what topic would you choose? You can answer it like, you can start from ing. Delivering a speech is a Herculean task for me because I'm not that much experienced. But if you ask me to choose a topic, then I would pick someone's biography so that I can motivate my audience. So this is how you can answer. Please don't cram and try to use variations as much as you can. I hope this short video is helpful for you. For more, please do subscribe. We are reaching 100K. So please subscribe and like this video, share it with your friends, and keep supporting. Thank you.